Question 1. If 10th April 2001 was Tuesday, what would be the day of week on 5th September 2012? In this question, first of all, we will find out the number of odd days between day and months. That is, we have to find out the number of odd days between 10th April and 5th of September in year 2001. How to find out it? Write down the months related with these two dates, that is April, May, June, July, August, September. So that 10th April to 30th April, as we are finding the number of days between these 2 days. Why? Because to find out the odd days. After this, we will find out the number of odd days between year, that is 2001 and 2012. So next, in month of May, there is 31 days. In June, 30, July 31, August 31. In September, what is asked? 5th September, so that we have to take only 5 days. Next, number of odd days. Now the number of days in April from 10th April to 30th April is 20 days. After that, in May there is 31 days, so that number of odd days is 3. After dividing it by 7, we will get remainder as 3. In month of June, 2 odd days, July 3, August 3 and September 5. This 20 also, after dividing it by 7, we will get remainder as a 6. So the total number of odd days are 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5, that is 9 plus 2 11 plus 3 14 plus 3 17 plus 5 22. So that number of odd days are 22. As we required odd days between 0 to 6, so that we will divide it again by 7, so that odd days, number of odd days is equal to 22, and 20 after dividing 22 by 7, we will get remainder as 1. So that total number of odd days from 10th April to 5th September in year 2001 is 1. So that we will indicate it by equation 1 or just 1. After that, we have to find out the number of odd days between 2001 to 2012. Here, difference between these years, number of years between this 2001 to 2012 is 11 years. So that is 11 years having 11 odd days, 11 years having 11 odd days. And 2001 to 2012, number of leap years are 2004, 2008 and 2012. 2004 having 29th Feb, so that we will consider 8. After that, 2008 having 8, 2001. 2012 also having 29th Feb, 2012 also having 29th Feb, so that we will consider 8. So total number of odd days are 11 plus 1 12 plus 1 13 and after that 14. It is a 14 odd days in these 2 years. So that 14 means divided by 7, we will get remainder as a 0. So the total number of odd days are 0. We will indicate it by 2. So that number of odd days between these two different dates is equal to first plus second. That is, first में कितने आए थे 1 odd day and second में कितने आए 0 odd day. So the total number of odd days are 1. So that we have to add this 1 in our reference day. Our reference day is Tuesday. So that we will get answer as Tuesday plus 1, that is a Wednesday. Tuesday plus 1, that is a Wednesday. So that option B is correct one. But in examination, we are not required to solve such a huge process. This one is for understanding purpose, so that I have explained in detail. In examinations, I will explain how to solve in examination. In examination, first of all, I will write down given date. 10th of April is 10th of April 2001 is Tuesday, and 5th of September 2012 is asked. So that in examination, what is our approach? Just find out the number of days between it, directly number of odd days between it. Orally 10th April to 10th April to 30 April there are 20. After that May, directly write down 3, June 2, July 3, August 3, and September 5. After that years difference is 11, so that 11 odd days plus 2004, 2008, 2012, that is a 3, so that here we will get 14. 14 means 0 odd day. And here what would be our approach? 20 means divided by 7 we will get 6. After that 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 3 14. As 14 is divided by 7, so that we will remove this part. After that 3 plus 5 8, 8 को यहाँ पे 8 में से 8 को 7 से डिवाइड करने के बाद we will get a 1 as a odd days. It will require the practice that we have got 1 odd day. After that just add 1 into reference day, we will get answer Wednesday. Next question. Question 2. If it was Monday on 3rd June 1996, then what day of week would be on 15th August 2003. In previous question I have given detailed solution. After that I explained that how to solve it in examination. This question I will solve in a shortcut approach. First step is 3rd June to 15th August. 3rd June, 3rd to 30, that is a 27. After that this one is a June, July 31, so that it is a 3. In August that is a 15. 15 means यहाँ पे कट कर लेंगे डायरेक्ट टू फाइंड आउट द ऑड डे. 15 मीन्स 1. इसको भी 27 का कट कर लेंगे. 7 3s are 21, so that remainder is 6. So that total number of odd days are 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10. 10 means 3. So total number of odd days are 3 odd days in between 3rd June to 15th August. After that 1996 to 2003. 1996 to 2003, number of years difference is 7. There is a difference of 7 years. Plus leap years, we don't require to consider 1996. Why? Because it is after 29th. It is after 29th Feb. So that in these 2 days 29th Feb 1996 is not coming, so that we will not consider it. After that 2000 will definitely come. 2000 की जो 29th Feb है वो भी उसमें आ जाएंगे. So that we have to add one odd day of 8. Plus 2004 not required. Only 7 plus 1 8. 8 means only 1 odd day. So that 8 means only 1 odd days. As this one is a 3 plus 1, total number of odd days are 4. Just we have to add 4 in reference day, that is Monday. So that I will write here only. Just give Monday as 0. After that 1 2 3 4. Monday के बाद Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday is our correct answer. Next question. If 18th October 2019 was Friday, the day on 18th October 2019 was Friday, then what would be the day? Then what would be the day of week on 15th of May 2011? Option A Monday, option B Sunday, option C Tuesday, option D none of the above. So that approach to solve this question: 18th October and 18th May and 2019 and 2011. So that this one is a question of back date. ठीक है, same approach, only we have to subtract it. First step is from 18th October to 15th May, or what we will do, we'll move from 15th May to 18th October in 2011. 15th of May to 18th October. 15th May to 18th October. May 15 to 31, that is a 16 odd days. June 2, July 3, August 3, September 2, October के कितने हैं 18. ठीक है, आफ्टर दिस 16 मीन्स 2 odd days. इसमें और एक सिंपल अप्रोच है, जस्ट whenever we will get 7 then cut that number. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, मतलब यहाँ पे 7 मिल गया. आफ्टर दैट 3 plus 2 5 है यहाँ तक, यहाँ पे 7 नहीं मिल रहा, सो दैट 18 मतलब 4 odd days. आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 7 वी विल गेट रिमाइंडर एज अ 4, सो दैट यहाँ पे 7 मिल सकता है क्या इजीली, 4 plus 3 मिल सकता है, सो दैट इट इज़ अ 2 odd days. ये भी काफ़ी सिंपल अप्रोच है. एज इट इज़ अ बैक डेट, दिस 2 odd days is a in a reverse manner, so that we will indicate it with a minus sign. We will indicate it a minus sign. After that 2019 to 2011, it is also again reverse order. What does it mean? We have to consider odd days in a negative term. ठीक है, 2019 से लेकर 2011 में कितने का डिफरेंस है, 8 years का है, सो दैट 8 years के 8 odd days प्लस नंबर ऑफ लीप ईयर कौन कौन से है, 2012, 2016, 2012 का एक, 2016 का 1 मोर, सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज आर 10. 10 मीन्स -3 ऑड डेज. देर इज द सेम अप्रोच, ओनली इन अ रिवर्स डेट और इन अ बैक डेट वी हैव टू subtract it, so that we are taking it in a negative manner. So that total number of odd days, number of odd days is equal to -2 and this -3, that is a -5. What it indicating, we have to subtract it from our reference day. Reference day is a Friday. Friday minus 5. Friday minus 5 is our correct answer. How to find out it? फास्टली, जस्ट फ्राइडे यहाँ पे माइनस साइन दिए ना, तो रिवर्स ऑर्डर लेंगे, 0 6 5 माइनस साइन दिए मतलब रिवर्स ऑर्डर लेंगे, और डे ऑफ द वीक की ऑर्डर सेम रहेंगे, फ्राइडे के बाद सैटरडे, सैटरडे के बाद संडे, सो दैट संडे इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन 5, if it was Thursday on 16th of April 2020, then what would be the day of week on 2nd October 2005? ऑप्शन फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे. ठीक है, हाउ टू सॉल्व इट? जस्ट फाइंड आउट 16th April and 2nd October. This is a forward. 16th April to 2nd October is a forward, so that odd day is in plus, and 2020 to 2005 is a backward. It is a reverse year or back year, so that we will consider the odd days minus 16 April to 2nd October. 16 April में 30 days रहते हैं, so that number of days from 16 April to 30 April is 14. April के बाद May, June, July, August, September, October. In examination you can directly write it, or for sake of avoiding confusion you will mention April, May, June, July, August, September and October. After that 14 means 0, and whenever we get addition of a 7, cut it. 3 plus 2 5, and 5 plus this 2 is 7. We are cutting it. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 means 1 will remain. 8 में से अगर 7 कट कर दिया तो 1 would be remainder. This one is our odd day. As it is a forward, so that odd days is in a plus, so that plus 1 is a odd day. We'll mention it by Roman number. Next, 2020 to 2005. This is a back year, so that odd days is in odd days we have to indicate with negative sign, as it indicates to subtract it. 2020 to 2005 number of years are 15, so that 15 years get 15 odd days. After that, leap years from 2020 to 2005. Leap years 2008, 2012, 2016 and 2020. So there are total 4 leap years, so we have to add 4 more days. The total number of odd days are 19. 19 means divide it by 7, we will get remainder as a 5, but it is a minus 5. So this is a second. ठीक है. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज कितने आ गए? नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज ये दोनों के इसमें 1 एंड सेकेंड में, इसमें +1 है और इसमें -5 है. सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज आर -4. -4 मीन्स बैक वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम रेफरेंस डे. रेफरेंस डे कौन सा है? थर्सडे. थर्सडे को -4 करेंगे, नहीं तो हमारे पास दूसरी मेथड, दैट इज आवर आंसर थर्सडे -4. इसको हम दूसरी मेथड से कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? -4 मीन्स just write this number in reverse order, 0 6 5 4, and weekday order is same, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and a Sunday. So that Sunday is our correct answer, option C. Question 6. If 26 January 2020 was Sunday, then what would be the day? What would be the day of week on 15th August 2008? In this question, back year is asked, and month and day, month is forward. So that find out number of odd days. January 26 दिया है, total number of days in January is 31, so that number of days remain is 5. January के बाद February, that is as it is 2020, so that February में 29 days आएंगे, so that 1 is a leap year. उसके बाद है February के बाद March 3 odd days, April 2 odd days, May 3, June 3, July June 2 as there are 28 days, July 3 and August के कितने हैं? 15 मतलब only 1 odd day, so that here I cut and write 1. So total number of odd days कितने आएंगे? 5. जहाँ जहाँ पे 7 दिखता है उसे हम कट करते जाएंगे. देखो 5 and 2, so that 7. 3 + 1 4 + 3 7. उसके बाद 2 + 3 + 1 5 + 1 6. so that total number of odd days कितने आ गए? 6. as it is जनवरी से लेकर हम अगस्त तक गए, so that we have to consider it as a +6 odd days as it is a forward day. नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम 2020 टू 2008. 2020 और 2008 में नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स का डिफरेंस कितना है? 12 है. 12 के 12 ऑड डेज, 12 ईयर्स के 12 ऑड डेज. उसके बाद अभी हम 15 अगस्त तक आ चुके हैं, मतलब ये जो +6 ऑड डेज कहाँ तक हमने फाइंड किए? 15 अगस्त 2020 तक. अभी हम आगे जो फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं that is from 15th August to 15th August 2008. तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ लीप ईयर कौन कौन से आएंगे, 2008 है, 2012 है, 2016 है और 2020 है. 2008 का वन और डे वी विल नॉट कंसिडर. वाई? बिकॉज अगस्त दिया है और 29 फेब अगस्त के पहले आ चुका है, सो दैट वी विल नॉट कंसिडर इट. 2012 का आएगा, 2016 का भी आएगा और उसके बाद 2020 का भी आएगा. सो दैट वी हैव टू ऐड दिस 3 days ऑफ लीप ईयर इन दिस 12. सो दैट टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज इज 12 plus 3, that is 15. 15 मतलब only one odd day, and this is a minus. Why? Because a back year. So यहाँ पे -1 आया और यहाँ पे +6 आया. So the total number of odd days कितने हैं, 6 plus 6 minus 1. It is a total number of odd days are 6 plus 6 minus 1. Number of odd days plus 6 minus 1, that is a 5 odd day. 5 odd day we have to add in our reference day. Reference day कौन सा है, संडे. संडे में हमें 5 ऐड करने पड़ेंगे. हाउ टू ऐड इट इन अ फास्ट मेथड, जस्ट राइट 0, उसके बाद 1 2 3 4 5. संडे के बाद मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे. सो दैट फ्राइडे इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. फ्राइडे इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है, वी विल स्टॉप हियर. इन नेक्स्ट पार्ट I will explain how to find out the day without giving reference day. In this 5 question, if you have any doubt, just ask it. And if you think that some questions is not understand to you, if it is required to repeat in another method, in another approach, then I will explain it in another approach. Thank you.